right, everyone, welcome back. Ready for another deep dive?
Always ready to dive in. What are we looking at today?
Well, today we're tackling something we all use every single day, multiple times a day.
Let me guess. Food.
Close, but no. I'm talking about our smartphone screens.
Ah, yes. The things that are basically extensions of our hands at this point.
Exactly, and I figured we'd do things a little differently today. You, game?
Ooh, always down for a challenge. What do you have in mind?
How about a little trivia? I found this really interesting article all about smartphone screens, and I thought it'd be fun to put your knowledge to the test, 10 questions quiz show style.
Sounds fun. Let's do it, but go easy on me, okay?
Oh, we'll see about that.
Yeah.
All right, question number 1. What is the most common type of display technology used in smartphones today?
Ooh, okay.
I'll even give you some multiple choice options. Is it A, OLED, B, LCD, C, AMOLED, or D, LED?
You know, OLED is getting super popular these days, but I think just for sheer numbers out there, it's still LCD, right?
You are absolutely right. Give yourself a point. It's B, LCD.
Phew.
It's easy to get caught up in all the OLED hype, but LCD is still the reigning champ, mostly because of cost.
Yeah, that makes sense. OLED is great and all, but it can be pretty pricey.
Especially when manufacturers are trying to hit those different price points. Okay, speaking of OLED, question number 2. Which smartphone manufacturer is practically synonymous with OLED displays?
Ooh, I think I know this one.
Is it A, Samsung, B, Apple, C, Google, or D, OnePlus?
It's got to be Samsung, right?
You got it. Another point for you.
2 for 2.
Samsung has really been pushing OLED technology forward, and it's definitely become a key selling point for their phones.
Yeah, their displays are always stunning.
All right, question number 3. This is a bit of a techie term, so get ready. What is the term for the number of pixels that can be displayed on a smartphone screen?
Oh, gosh.
Don't worry, here are your options. A, resolution, B, refresh rate, C, aspect ratio, or D, pixel density.
Okay, thinking back to my tech classes, I'm pretty sure it's A, resolution.
You are on a roll, 3 for 3.
This is actually kind of fun.
Right, and resolution really matters because it affects how sharp everything looks on your screen. We're watching movies, playing games, browsing the web, all on these tiny little screens.
Yeah, you really notice the difference between a high-res screen and a low-res one.
Exactly. All right, ready for question number 4?
Hit me with it.
Okay, this one is a bit tricky. Which of the following display features is not a common feature in modern smartphones?
Oh, these are the ones I get tripped up on.
Your choices are A, HDR, B, 120 Hz refresh rate, C, 4K resolution, or D, laser projection.
Okay, let's break this down. I know HDR is pretty much standard now, and so are those super smooth refresh rates.
So far, so good.
4K resolution is out there, but I wouldn't say it's super common yet, so I'm gonna go with D, laser projection.
You are absolutely right. Laser projection on a phone is still pretty much science fiction.
I mean, it would be super cool though, right?
I totally imagine projecting a movie from your phone onto any surface.
Yeah, but the technology isn't quite there yet. Maybe someday?
Maybe someday. All right, back to the present with question number 5. This one should be easy. What is the purpose of a smartphone screen protector?
Oh, come on. That's a softball question. Obviously to protect the screen from scratches and cracks.
Correct. You get a point for stating the obvious.
Hey, I'll take it.
But seriously, there are so many different types of screen protectors out there, it can be overwhelming.
Yeah, it's definitely worth doing a little research to figure out which one is right for you. Like, do you need something super heavy duty or just basic protection?
And how much are you willing to spend, right?
Exactly.
All right, what's next?
Question number 6. Which smartphone display feature is designed to reduce eye strain and improve readability, especially in bright environments?
I think I know this one. Is it blue light filtering?
You are correct. Another point for you.
I'm on fire.
Blue light gets a lot of attention these days, but can you explain a bit more about why it's such a concern? Sure. Basically, blue light is a type of light that's emitted from all kinds of screens, and it can mess with our sleep and potentially even cause eye strain over time.
So using those blue light filters can really help, especially if you're staring at your phone late at night.
Absolutely anything to reduce that eye strain.
All right, question number 7. What is the term for the way a smartphone's display adjusts its brightness and color temperature based on the surrounding environment?
I feel like I should know this one. It's on the tip of my tongue.
Think about when you walk outside on a sunny day.
Ah, is it adaptive brightness?
You got it. It seems like such a simple feature, but there's actually some pretty complex tech behind it.
Really?
Yeah, the phone's using sensors to constantly measure the ambient light, and then it adjusts the display to give you the best possible viewing experience.
Wow, I never knew that.
Plus, it helps save battery life, which is always a good thing. Okay, question number 8. Which smartphone manufacturer is known for its use of a unique display technology called Super Retina XDR?
I've definitely heard that term before. Super Retina XDR. Is that Apple?
Ding, ding, ding. You are correct. Apple loves to give their tech fancy names.
They really do. But what makes Super Retina XDR so special?
Well, it's all about combining a bunch of different features. Super high brightness, level, wide color gamut, high contrast ratio for those deep blacks and vibrant colors. Basically, they're trying to create the best possible viewing experience.
Makes sense. It's all about that premium feel. Oh, wait, bring on the next question.
Okay, we're in the home stretch now. Just 2 questions left. What is the typical aspect ratio of a smartphone display? Is it A, 16.9, B, 18.9, C, 21.9, or D, 4.3?
Ooh, aspect ratios. Okay, I'm going to go with B, 18.9.
So close. The most common aspect ratio is actually A, 16.9.
Ah, I should have known that.
It's been the standard for so long, especially for video content.
Yeah, that makes sense. 16.9 is perfect for watching movies and shows without getting those black bars.
All right, last question. Which display feature is designed to improve color accuracy and vibrancy in smartphone displays?
This is another one I know. It's a wide color gamut, right?
Yes. You finished strong, 10 questions, and you got... Drum roll, please.
Don't leave me hanging.
You got 9 out of 10 correct.
9 out of 10, not bad. I'm pretty proud of myself.
As you should be. That aspect ratio question was a tricky one.
Yeah, it got me good.
But in all seriousness, this is a fun little way to explore all the tech that's packed into these screens we use every day.
Yeah, it's amazing how much technology goes into something we often take for granted.
And for all our listeners out there, I hope you learned a thing or two as well.
Absolutely. And who knows what the future holds for smartphone screens? Foldable displays? Maybe holographic displays?
The possibilities are endless. What display innovations are you most excited about? Let us know.
And until next time, keep on diving deep.
See you all in the next one.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.